Okay, coordinate geometry. You know Cartesian plane, right? So Cartesian, the mathematician, sorry, where is it? Yes. See, the mathematician Cartesian introduced this graph, right? See, the horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis, right? This is x and x dash and this is y and y dash. What is the use of this graph, Cartesian plane? Why he used this, Shreya? What is the use of
locate the points.
Yes, very good. We'll locate the point on the plane, right now. So here, this is x dash and this is y dash, right now. So both are intersecting at a point O. This is called origin, right? Origin, and the points at the origin are coordinate. These are called coordinates. Right now, the points are called coordinates 0, 0. And we write the points, right? 2, 3. Here, what is first? These two are called coordinates. Which is the first coordinate? This is called x and second one is y. Right now, first number is x and second coordinate is y. You know that, right now, children? So here, x and y axis divide the plane into 4 quadrants. Right now, 4 quadrants. So in that, this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third, and fourth. Right? And you know, we on x-axis, we write positive numbers towards which side? Positive
Right side.
right side. Okay. +1, 2, positive numbers towards right and negative numbers towards left. -3, -4, -5, -6, and -7. So on y-axis, positive numbers.
Upper side, ma'am.
Yes, and negative downwards. 7, here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Right, children? So like this, x and y axis are dividing into 4 quadrants. And let us see what are the signs in each quadrant. Okay. In first quadrant, see, we are writing x and y. First is x followed by y. So here, what is sign of x-axis? See, you take x-axis. So which numbers are here? Positive number. So it is plus. What about y-axis? Y-axis also we have positive number. So both are positive in first quadrant. Got it? Now come to the second quadrant. So what is x here? Is it positive or negative? See, this is
Negative, ma'am.
and this is y. So x is negative. What about y-axis? You have to consider these two lines, perpendicular lines. Okay, ox dash and oy. So x is negative and y is positive. So minus and plus in second quadrant. Now come to the third quadrant. What is x here? Minus. What about y? Y?
Ma'am, negative.
Negative. Both are minus sign. Here, x is positive and y is negative. See, all are different here. It is plus plus and here it is minus minus. And second quadrant, X is minus, Y is plus. Here, X is plus, Y is minus. Okay. So I'll give you an equation. X plus Y is equal to 4. So this is linear equation in two ways. How many variables are here? How many variables are here, Panchami Shreya?
2, ma'am.
Two variables. X is one variable, Y is
Ma'am,
another
2
variable.
variables.
Yes, very good. Okay. So now keep X as it is here because we are giving the values for X right now. So take this X to the right hand side. It becomes minus X. Call this equation number 1. Now, so go on giving the values for X children. Let X is equal to 0. So now why we are doing this? To get the points. Okay. Y is equal to 4 minus, substitute 0 in place of X. So what is your answer? 4. See, when X is 0, Y is 4. Okay, this is X and this is Y. Now put X is equal to 1. So for in equation number 1, substitute the value children. 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. Write the points here, these coordinates. When X is 1, Y is 3. X is equal to 2. Write 4 minus, in place of X, substitute 2. Answer is 2. So when X is 2, what is Y? It is also 2. Let us give negative numbers. When X is minus 1, you can give any number, no problem. 0, 1, 2, 3 or minus 1, 2, 3. Any number you can substitute. 4 minus, see in place of, see, I have written minus. In place of X, I am substituting minus 1. So write in the bracket. So 4 minus into minuses plus, that is equal to 5. So what are the coordinates here? Minus 1 and 5. Let X is equal to minus 2. So 4 minus minus of 2. That is equal to 4 plus 2. That is equal to 6. So these are all the points coordinates, right now children? So you have to plot the graph. I will, okay, I'll write here. 0, 4. 0, 4. Will you remember the points? I have to delete all. Will you remember the points? Shreya Panchami. 0, 4, 1, 3, 2, 2, minus 1, 5.
Yes, ma'am, we will write it down.
Okay, 4, 3, 2, 5, 6. It is 5 or 6, sorry. Yes, right now? Now, so first you write X, X dash, Y, Y dash. This is origin. Write the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 5 and 6, right? Yes. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. See, what are the first coordinates? 0 and 4. See, x is 0, y is 4. So both are positive numbers. When x is 0, you have to start from here. Where is 4? It is here. Mark like this. Next points are x is 1, y is 3. Say both are positive numbers right now. So +1 go towards right side. This is 1 and positive number go upwards. Mark the point here. And 2 and 2. See, x is 2, y is also 2. Next, -1 and 5. See, x is -1. So you have to go towards left. Okay, on the x-axis, see, mark at -1, 5. Next, x is -2, go towards left, -2, 6. Yes, okay. So, and after marking all the points, you can join all the points, children. And you know one thing, for linear equations, what type of graph we get? Shreya, Panchami? Do we get straight line or curve for linear equation? What type of line we get? Curve line or straight line?
Ma'am, straight line.
Yes, for linear equation.
Straight line, ma'am.
It will be straight line. Okay. So, and I'll give one more sum. Or will you do this for homework? I'll give it for homework. And next, circles.
Ma'am, I'm not able to hear you properly.
Okay, is it? Now, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So what is a circle? Yes. O, A, B, C, E, F. Okay, let us see first our definition for circle. What is circle? See, circle is nothing but it is a set of points, right now. Circle is a set of points. So how the points are located from the fixed point? So all the points are located at equal distance from the fixed point, right now. See, if you measure any point from the fixed point, for example, if it is 5 centimeter, take any point. So it measures same. Okay. So all the points are at equidistance from the center. So that is called, it forms a circle. And let us see the parts of the circle. What is OA here? What is OA?
Ma'am, radii.
Radius. So radius is nothing but the line which joins the center and any point on the circumference. See, what is circumference? This boundary is nothing but circumference. Right now, children? So the line which joins center with any point. Take any point on the circle. See, I have drawn here, no? Take any point. See, this is if you join with the center, it is radius. Take another point, join with the center, it is called radius. Like that. Take any point on the circumference, joining with the center is called radius. Next, what is BC here? BC is
Diameter.
diameter. So diameter is nothing but, and EF is nothing but, what is EF? Chord. Okay. So chord, what is the difference between chord and the diameter? Can you tell me? What is the difference?
Ma'am, diameter is the longest chord which passes through the center of the circle.
Good, very good. So both are same right now. That means we are joining 2 points on the circumference right now. For chord also we are taking 2 points on the circumference. For diameter also we are taking 2 points on the circumference. But chord is not passing through the center, but diameter must passes through the center. Okay, that is the difference between the chord and the diameter. And can you say diameter as a chord? Yes, you said no, longest chord and yes, okay. So, but chord is not diameter, but diameter you can call it as chord, okay. And what is BE or EB here? What is this portion called?
Ma'am, arc.
Arc. Okay, so arc is nothing but it is a part of the circle. And here AB is a part of the circle from one point to another point. See, FC, it is a part of the circle. So these are the part of the circle. And what is this region called? So the region between the chord and the arc, what is this called? Can you recall? The region between the chord and the arc of the circle.
Ma'am, sector.
That is, see here, it is, what is this?
Segments.
See what I am drawing here. What is this? Left side. This is sector. Okay. This is segment. Sector is nothing but the region between the two radii and the arc. Okay. That is sector. The region between the arc and the chord, that is segment. Okay. So here it is called minor segment and remaining part is called major segment. And you know that the diameter, D is equal to 2R. R you can say R radius is half of the diameter. You know all these relations, right? Next. See here. What is this angle? So this is semicircle, right? Now, semicircle is nothing but half circle. This is half circle. And what is this angle?
Ma'am, 90 degree.
Yes, it will be 90 degree always. Okay. And one more thing. For example, two triangles are at the same base. Okay, see here we can say these two angles are equal. Okay, already I have studied in 9th standard, right? In circles chapter. See, these two angles will be equal. And you know cyclic quadrilateral, right? What is this? Cyclic quadrilateral. What is cyclic quadrilateral?
When four sides of quadrilateral lies in the circumference of the
Four
circle.
sides or four corners?
Ma'am, four vertices.
Four corners, ma'am.
Four corners. Okay. Four corners are lying on the circle. Okay. So this is what cyclic quadrilateral. And what is the sum of opposite angles in cyclic quadrilateral? Sum of it is 180. Okay. In cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of opposite angles will be 180 degree. Got it? And then you know circumference formula, right? What is circumference formula? Circumference of the circle?
Ma'am, 2 pi r.
2 pi r. So pi is constant. It is 22/7. And what is the area of circle? What is area of circle? Same thing here. You are writing 2 pi r. Where will you write
Pi r
this?
square?
Yes, pi r square, right. Okay. Here you are writing 2 pi r, no? Just you put 2 as square here. That's it. Pi r square. Pi r square is area of circle. Good. Okay, that is about circles. Let us go to surface. Surface areas and volumes. So you have studied about in surface area which solid shapes you have studied? Cube and
Cuboid.
which one? Cuboid. Then
Ma'am, cone.
cone. Then before cone,
Cylinder, ma'am.
cylinder. And then
Ma'am, sphere.
sphere. And then last one. After sphere, half of the sphere is what?
Semicircle.
Not circle, hemisphere. Right now, hemisphere. You have studied about hemisphere, no? Yes, come one by one. Cube. So quickly tell me how many faces are there in cube?
Ma'am, 6 faces.
6 faces. Okay. Then how many corners? Vertices. Fast. How many vertices? See, you are sitting in the room, no? Just you see the corners. How many corners are there? Count and tell me fast. For cube and cuboid, both faces, vertices, and edges all are same for both. Right now? Yes?
Vertices. 8.
Sorry?
Ma'am, 8.
8 vertices. Did you get it? Did you count? Did you count it in the room or not? Okay, how many edges are there? Count and tell me fast.
Ma'am, 12
12
edges.
edges. Okay, so all these are same for both cube and cuboid. There are 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. But how the 6 faces are in cube? All are
Ma'am, equal.
equal, means squares, right? No, all are squares. What about cuboid? They are in they are rectangles, right? No, so can you give example for cube? Shreya, can you give example for cube? You know Rubik cube, no? Yes or no? Rubik cube or dice, you know dice, no? You play snake and ladder. Yes or no? Are you there, Shreya Panchami? Hello? Are you there? Yes. Okay, so now tell me curved surface area. So for curved surface area, so you know that no, 6 faces are there, 4 walls and top and bottom. So there are 6 faces. Okay. So how many dimensions are there? 3 dimensions, that are length, breadth and height. So in cube all are equal. So we take only L, right? Or we can take A also, no problem. So what is curved surface area? Curved surface area and total surface area. Total 6 faces are there, but for curved surface area, we take only how many faces? How many faces we take for curved surface area?
Ma'am, 4 faces.
4 faces, right now. So, cube is nothing but each face is square. What is the area of square? Yesterday we discussed, right? What is the area of square?
Ma'am, 4A.
4A is perimeter. What is area? Which one you had to multiply? I told you no yesterday you had to multiply A into A, no? That is A square. See, A square is area of square. Okay. See, here we are taking 4 faces. So for 4 faces, it will be 4A square. Correct? Huh? See, A square is for 1 face. So for 4 face, it is 4A square. Got it? Shreya? Yes, okay. What is total surface area? So here we consider all the 6 faces, including top and bottom. So what is the formula here?
Ma'am, 6A square.
6A square. Okay. So here it is 4A square, 6A square. And what is the volume of cube? See here we take, for plane surfaces, we have taken length and breadth. And here we have height also, right? So L, B, H. Here in cube all are same. That's why we take L into L into L. That is L cube, or you can say A cube. Got it? So you should know all these 3 formula, children. 4A square, 6A square and A cube. You should know the units to write. It is centimeter square or meter square, whatever. You should write square. And for volume, We have 3 dimensions, so you have to write meter cube. Next one is cuboid. Can you give example for cuboid? Can you give example for cuboid?
Ma'am, geometry box.
Geometry box. Shreya, are you there? Shreya. Can you hear me, Shreya? That's okay, fine, no problem. But you can hear, you should listen, okay? Cuboid is, she said, geometry box and chalk box. These are all example for cuboid. And faces, number of faces 6, vertices 8, and edges 12. And here, so just you see the room and tell me, okay? So for curved surface area, we take 4 walls. Right now. So just see the opposite walls and tell me. See, you will measure length, breadth, and height. Correct? Huh? So you see the wall and tell me what can you measure here. So it is length and it is breadth. So what is the area of rectangle? Panchami? Area of rectangle is?
Ma'am, L into
LB. Right? No. Now what you have to do? Okay, you have to see all the walls and tell me the area of each wall. Got it? Okay, first tell me for the floor. Okay, tell me for the floor. What is the area of the floor? What can you measure in the floor? You can measure the length of the floor, correct? And breadth of the floor. So that is, it becomes length and breadth. So this is same for roof also. Right now. So LB plus LB, leave it, keep it aside and come to the walls. And now tell me what is the area of each wall?
ma'am, height into base.
Base into height. Right now? Yes. Base into height, and the opposite to that is also base into height. So for another pair, another, okay. Next.
Ma'am, height into length.
Length into height. Very good. LH, and opposite to that also L into H. So here we are taking only 4 walls and we have taken area of the 4 walls. So here, one second. I have written into here plus. So BH plus BH is 2BH plus LH plus LH is 2HLR LH. What is common here? 2 and H are common, right? Now 2H is common. So take it outside the bracket. 2H into L plus B. So this is the formula of curved surface area of cuboid. Okay. Let us see for 6 walls. That is total area, total surface area. So already we have here 2BH plus 2HL right now. And here we have discussed LB plus LB is 2LB. Right now, Panchami? Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what is common here? 2 is common in all. So 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So this is the total surface area of cuboid. So while doing the sums, you should be careful. Sometimes what will they do? For example, the box is it is open box. Open box means what you had to which one you had to lay? You had to lay only the top, but you have to include the bottom. That time you have to take 5 faces, right? No. So while doing the sums, you should be careful, children. And volume is equal to volume of cuboid is, here all are different. L is different, B is different, and height is different. All are different. So LBH is the volume of the cuboid. And next one, cylinder. So in cylinder, how many faces are there? How many faces?
Ma'am, 2 faces.
Only 2 faces, right? How many faces? 2 faces. Which are the 2 faces? Which are the 2 faces, Panchami?
Ma'am, bottom face and top.
Okay, what about curved face? That is also face, no? So it has two flat and 1 curved surface. One curved surface, right? See, this is flat surface, this is circle, and this is also circle. These two are flat surfaces, and this is curved surface. Okay, and what is curved surface of cylinder? What is curved surface of cylinder? Do you remember the formula? Okay.
Ma'am, actually cylinder, this topic was deleted. Only a sphere and cube and cuboid was there, ma'am. Cube.
Is it? Okay. Tell me, Panchami, your textbook is revised textbook or old textbook?
Ma'am, yeah, ma'am, it's revised text.
Or revised textbook, then you don't have which chapter they are doing now?
Ma'am, 3rd chapter, pair of linear
What
equations.
about real numbers? Have they done real numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in that did they teach division algorithm, this one? Euclid lemma, division lemma?
No, ma'am.
No, they didn't teach, no? They taught only HCF, LCM. That's it, right? 1 second. And what about Shreya? And root 5 is irrational, root 2 is irrational, right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then your textbook is revised. What about Shreya? Is it revised or old textbook? Shreya, can you hear me? Okay, which is second chapter they have done? Panchami.
Ma'am?
What about polynomials? Have they done polynomials?
Yes, ma'am.
They finished polynomials, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So they did not teach you division algorithm in that, means dividing polynomial by polynomial, means like this sums. X to the power of 4 minus 2x, dividing the polynomial by another
No,
polynomial.
later. No.
It is deleted, right?
Yes.
Okay. What about Shreya? But in some schools, they are doing all that. They are not deleted any exercises. Okay, let us see. Shreya, are you there? Okay, fine. Then you have only cube and cuboid, no?
Yes, from cube and cuboid, sphere and
Here you have sphere. Okay. So I'll tell you about sphere. So how many faces? There is only one curved surface, right now. And what is the? So it has only total surface. There is no curved surface right now. What is total surface area of sphere? Panchami? So it is 4 pi r square. Total surface area is 4 pi r square. And volume of sphere is equal to 3 by 4 pi r cube. Okay, you have only two formulae for this. 4 pi r square and volume is 3 by 4 pi r cube. For hemisphere, you have both curved surface area and total surface area. Okay, curved surface area, see, for total it is 4, no? So half of that means 2 pi r square, right? No? So what is total surface area for hemisphere?
Ma'am, 3 pi r square.
3 pi r square. Okay. So it is easy, no? 4 pi square, 2 pi square, 3 pi square. And volume is, see, half of that, right? No, it is half sphere means half of this. See, if you divide it by 2, what will you get? So it is 4 by 3. I have written 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 3. So half of this means 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. So half of this means divide by 2. So 2 by 3 pi r cube is volume of hemisphere. Okay. You know how it is 4 pi r square, Panchami?
No, ma'am.
See, for example, take a sphere. Okay, they'll be in same size. Okay. Uh, is. For example, take a sphere and take a thread. Okay. So you can do at home. Take a thread and just go on winding around the sphere like this. Are you getting what I'm saying, Panchami?
Yes, ma'am.
So ಒಂದು ಥ್ರೆಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಥ್ರೆಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಪಂಚಮಿ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಥ್ರೆಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಈ ತರ ವೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ just wind it around the sphere like this till here. Okay, after that you remove the thread and take 4 circles like this with the same radius. Okay, with the, see, there is the sphere no, so take the radius of the sphere and with the same radius draw 4 circles like this. Okay, now take out the thread and just go on wind the thread like this. Okay, so then you will get, so that will be equal to 4 square circles anta. Got it? Did you understand the concept?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the area of circle? You know, it is pi r square. It is also pi r square, and it is pi r square. It is also pi r square. So it becomes 4 pi r square. So area of sphere is 4 pi r square, and half of that, half means we get only 2 circles, right? No, so it is 2 pi r square like this. Okay, so this is about sphere and hemisphere. So it is sure, no, it I mean it is mentioned, no, revised textbook on the cover page, Panchami?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
It is mentioned. Okay. Okay, I'll give you sums. You practice on practice these sums, children. First one, x square minus 5x plus 6. Draw the graph for this. Right, y is equal to, find the values of x and y, children. Okay, then you plot the graph. And second one, so d is equal to 21 centimeter, diameter is given, and total surface area of sphere. Find the total surface area of the sphere. Okay, total surface area, you know that 4 pi r square. They have given diameter. Okay, so now find radius first and then substitute here. Any doubt, Panchami?
Ma'am, actually in the previous textbook, the cylinder topic was deleted, but actually in the 10th it's there, ma'am. Cylinder and plus the cone. Ma'am, I just saw it.
Yeah, frustum of the cone. Yeah, you have that. First you find R and then total surface area. Okay, then third one, you list out all the formula ones. Okay, formula related to surface area. Okay. This is your homework. So in real number, you have only they did only 2 exercises, right, Panchami?
Yes, ma'am. 2x.
Finding HCF and LCM and proving irrational by contradiction method. So in polynomial, they did not teach cubic polynomials, no? They did only quadratic polynomials. Okay, now in the next class, you keep the textbook. Oh. Okay, if it is revised means some exercises will be are deleted. Okay, let me see. What about Shreya? You didn't tell me. Okay, did you understand Panchami about surface area and volumes? Do you have any doubts?
No, ma'am, no doubts.
Okay. What about Shreya? Are you there? Can you hear me? Okay, children, we'll wind up the class. Okay. Thank you, children.